Car parts, exterior.
Headlight. Headlights help drivers see the road at night.
Engine. Mechanics know how to fix engines.
Hood. There are birds on the hood of the car. Windshield. He's removing the snow from the windshield.
Windshield wipers. The windshield wipers are working.
Sunroof. It's cool to ride with the sunroof open in the summer.
Trunk. He's cleaning the trunk of the car. Taillight. Taillights are in the back of the car.
Side view mirror. The side view mirror helps the driver see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle. Rearview mirror. Tire. He's changing the tire in his car.
Bumper. This is a bumper of a Ford car.